So this is my hostel. It's very nice. It is a common area. We have to share common area, washrooms, and other things. But it is very nice. There are so many people in the hostel. This is Wise Owl Hostel Shibuya. So it is exactly on the main road. So that's why it is very expensive. So you can see it is like 5-6 floors. So there are also rooms available, but they are very expensive. So I have taken this sharing room, like sharing bed, you can say. So it is very nice. So this is the main road, you can see Shibuya main road. So that's why it is very costly, the hotel. So this is the main road in front of my hostel. So this is Tokyo, Japan. So today is 30th morning. So just what I am going to do is I have reserved a seat for Hayabusa bullet train Shinkansen. So I will go to Shin Amori. Amori is a city. So 9:36 is my train from Tokyo station. So first I have to go to Shibuya. From there I have to go to Tokyo station, and from there I have to take the train and go to Amori and come back in the afternoon. I have booked return from 3 o'clock from Amori to Tokyo from Shinkansen. So this is bar area. So it will be very lively in the evening. So this is a reception area. So here we can sit, drink, eat, and we can also work on our laptops. So this is the reception. So this is the back side of my hostel. So this is the back side. So I'm now walking towards bus stop. So there are several buses going to Shibuya station. So from Shibuya station I can either take Yamanote line. Yamanote line is a circular or loop line. So it which covers all important stations, important districts like Akihabara, Shinjuku, Shibuya, Shinjuku, Shibuya, Ginza. So Tokyo main important. So all these stations will be covered by Yamanote line. Either I can take that or I can take Narita Express going to airport. So it will stop at Shibuya and Tokyo. So I just drop. I can just that is faster. So it is only one station. If I take Yamanote line, so there will be a couple of stations, maybe 5-6 between Shibuya and Tokyo. So I will see. So I have plenty of time now. So but I will try to reach as early as possible to Tokyo station so that I can have something for my breakfast, and I can just go 10-15 minutes advance to the platform. So this is the way which I take every day to go to catch a bus to Shibuya. So this is the bus stop where I have to wait. Bus stop name is Osaka Ui. So you can see 8:23 there is a bus to Shibuya station. 8:25 is a bus. Bus number 31, bus number 22. So will come now because now the time is 8:21, 8:22. So it will come in any minute. It will reach Shibuya station at 8:33. You can see. So this is the timetable. Bus has come. Now I have to board the bus. Just boarded the bus. So it is going to Shibuya station. So my validated. I wanted to validate my VR bus, but it's not validating. I accepting. So I have used Suica. So I have both JR bus and Suica. I can use any metro station, metro trains, local buses, JR, where there are no JR. I will reach JR around 8:10. Only 1 second stop. So I got down from the bus. So it is very close to my hostel. So it only took 2-3 minutes. Now I am going to Shibuya station. So you can see JR lines. So either I have to take Yamanote line or Narita line. If I will see if I can take any JR line because it shows that JR line. So you can see Yamanote line, JR line right side. So our Narita Express, all those trains are right side. So I have to go right. So this is the entrance. I think they are renovating. So they have covered and they are doing some repair work or renovation. So I have to I have to take line 2, line number 2. So it will go to Tokyo, you can see. So yeah, Shinagawa and Tokyo. So from Tokyo I can board JR bus, sorry, Shinkansen train. This is the Yamanote line. Yamanote line platform. Yes. This is the train Yamanote line. I am going to Tokyo station. So now I have to get down at Tokyo. So that is number 1 station. Number 1. So this is number 30 Yurakicho. So mine is number 1. So this is a loop line. So it always goes in a loop. So we have to check before boarding the train. So either it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So today I have taken anti-clockwise to Tokyo. So you can see now. So next stop is Tokyo. So they will give information in both Japanese and English very clearly. So what are the lines available, what are the trains we can take from Tokyo, how much time it will take. So as I told yesterday, so there are 30 stations. 新幹線、中央線、東海道線、上野東京ライン、横須賀線、東武快速線、京葉線、地下鉄丸ノ内線はお乗り換えです。The next station is Tokyo JY1. The doors on the left side will open. Please change your floor, the Shinkansen, the Chuo line, the Tokaido line, the Ueno Tokyo line, the Yokosuka line, the Soto line rapid service, the Keio line, and the Marunouchi subway line. So that is another Yamanote going opposite direction. Yamanote lights, trains are green in color. So we can easily identify. So I just got down this from this train. So this number 6, car number 6. So now I have to go to Shinkansen lines to take Hayabusa, first bullet train journey in my life. So in Tokyo, Hayabusa is fastest. So that is covered in JR bus. Nozomi is also fast, but it's not covered. So this is Yamanote line. So I just got down this from this train. So this number 6, car number 6. So now I have to go to Shinkansen lines to take Hayabusa, first bullet train journey in my life. So in Tokyo, Hayabusa is fastest. So that is covered in JR bus. Nozomi is also fast, but it's not covered. So this is Yamanote. So now the time is 8:59, almost like 9 o'clock. So my train is at 9:36, but 10-15 minutes early I try to reach platform because I am new to this Shinkansen trains. So even half minute also they will not stop. So half minute also there won't be any delay. So you can see Shinkansen. Shinkansen is bullet. So JU, JT, JE. So I am going in this way now. Shinkansen.